So I was recording the tutorial and my PC crashed. All my footage has been corrupted. Alright, so first you wanna make the basic structure of your poster. This is what I made. I'm sure you don't need a tutorial for this. The fonts will be on the screen right now. Alright, once you're done with your poster, now you're gonna wanna hop on After Effects, import the poster in, and then import whatever GIF or whatever video you want. This is what I'm gonna use. Resize it however you want. Now we're gonna come to the main part of this tutorial. Make sure whichever version of After Effects you're using has the roto brush tool. Click on it, double click on your video or GIF, and just with your mouse just trace all over the object you're gonna use. Alright, adding the threshold part took me quite a while, but here are the settings. First you want to put a black and white layer. Make the whole thing black and white, then you want to add curves. Copy these settings. Then you want to add a threshold effect and put it to around 140. This gradient map to add a little bit of grayish color to it. And there we go. All we have to do now is to add a little bit of extra details here and there, and we'll be done. First thing I'm gonna add are the blades of chaos. Put it below the threshold layer and it should be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna put it beside God off, and yeah, we can cut out this part later. Just put it over here, rasterize it, use this tool and just cut it out. Nice. Okay, we are done more or less. Let's fix the placement of that. Okay, yeah, we'll keep it at this. As always, to export, go to File, Export, go to Render Video and just export it. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.